Hare Krishna all.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Sorry, sorry.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare
Hare
Krishna.
Krishna children.
Mataji, both groups should be there, Mataji.
No, only one group. Another group class has finished by 1 o'clock.
Mataji, I'm asking about the WhatsApp group, Mataji. There are two groups. Can we have that or remove one group, or shall we have that WhatsApp both group, ma'am? That April 5 kids also we have to have.
Okay. No, that I cannot. Yeah, that.
Bhakti Vrishika, that group also we have to have.
Yeah. What happens is may not be everybody is interested in joining these, but to updates what is it, send a temple updates, we need to have that group.
Okay, Mataji, thank you. We have to have that both group confirmed, that Bhakti Vrishika and
Yeah.
Okay, Mataji, thank you.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Mataji.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna, Mataji.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Mataji.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Mataji.
Hare Krishna.
How many days is this course?
This is 16 weeks course.
How many?
16 weeks.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, Mataji. Okay, Mataji.
Yeah, Hare Krishna.
Mataji, after Bhakti Vrishika, we will have any other class, Mataji, or full after Bhakti Vrishika, everything is over, Mataji, or we have one more class after that, Mataji, Bhakti Vrishika.
As of now, it is this. Then we will design. There will be advanced class where we will take about other subjects also. Yeah.
Okay, Mataji.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
No, I don't have. Okay. Yes, is it visible now?
Okay, it's visible, Mataji.
Okay. Om Ajnanatimirandasya Jnananjanashalakhaya Chakshur Unmilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha Shri Chaitanya Manobhishtam Stapitam Yena Bhutale Swayam Rupaya Kada Mahyam Dadanti Swapadantikam Namo Vishnu Padaya Krishna Prishtaya Bhutale Srimati Bhakti Vedanta Swami इति नामिने नमस्ते सरस्वती देवी गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेषा शून्यवादी पाश्चात्यदेशतारिणे जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैता गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्त वृंदा Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna all. Yeah, welcome you all to the first week of Bhakti Vriksha. So this advanced Gita course where we'll be learning every week about stories of Lord Krishna, 2 to 3 stories, followed by one sloka of Bhagavad Gita in detail, and you'll have some activity. Okay, this is what will be the curriculum we'll have for 16 weeks. Okay, Hare Krishna. And it will be not like I am telling you a class like in Bhagavad Gita. You have to volunteer to read also. Okay.
Okay, Mataji.
Yes, I wanted. Yes, Anuradha Mataji and Saroja Mataji.
Yes, Mataji.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna
Hare
Mataji.
Krishna. Yeah, you can unmute one by one the participant. They will read this.
Okay,
Okay,
Mataji.
Mataji.
Yes. Just a minute. I'll mute all.
Hare Krishna, Mataji.
Hare Krishna. Yes. Yes.
Birth of Lord Krishna. Once upon a time, the earth goddesses Bhumi became a cow and went to ask Lord Brahma for help. Crying, he said, "The whole world is upset because now there are many kings on earth who are really demons." So Lord Brahma, who is the father of the universe, Bhumi, and all the demigods went to the ocean of milk to see Lord Vishnu on his planet of Svatadvipa. They all offered their respectful obeisances to Lord Vishnu and chanted the Purusha Sukta prayers.
Yes. Yes. Next.
Mataji?
Yes.
Yes, Mataji. Lord Vishnu said, "Soon I will come down to the earth as soon as
Then,
the son of Vasudeva."
Did you read the questions, ma'am?
No, not now. Afterwards, Mataji. After the end of session, you have to take the questions.
Okay, Mataji.
Lord Vishnu said, "Soon I will come down to earth as the son of Vasudeva along with my brother and sister Balarama in Yogamaya. All of you demigods should take birth on the earth in Yadu family. Then I will come myself as a supreme lord to save all the devotees and to kill all the demons." Some time later, Vasudeva, the son of Yadu king Suryasena, married Devaki,
Surasena.
daughter of Ugrasena. After the wedding, Devaki's brother Kamsa drove them on the wonderful golden chariot. There were hundreds of other nice chariots, 200 of her young girls, 15,000 horses, and 400 elephants nicely decorated with golden garlands, along with wonderful music from the conch shells, bugles, and the drums.
Next.
Hare Krishna Mataji, shall I read who was Devaki, who was Kamsa?
No, you have to start from this. Suddenly.
Okay, Mataji. Suddenly, a great voice was heard from the sky. Kamsa, you are such a fool. The eighth son of this sister will kill you. Kamsa became afraid immediately. He caught Devaki's hair and raised his sword to kill her. Vasudeva, her new husband, stopped him and said, "My dear brother-in-law, please do not kill your own sister. She will never give you trouble. Right now, you are safe. Whenever she has any children, I promise to give them all to you." Kamsa knew that Vasudeva would keep his promise, so he did not kill her.
Vasudeva.
Vasudeva
Yes.
would keep his promise,
Next.
so he did not kill her.
Yeah. Next.
Mataji, can I read?
Only one.
Mataji, can I?
Yes.
After Devaki had the first baby, the great devotees of Nanda
Came-
Munu came to Kamsa.
Narada Muni.
Narada Muni came to Kamsa and said, "Kamsa, be careful of the friend and demigods born in the family of Nanda Maharaj and cowherd and Vasudeva. They are all getting ready for Krishna to come. He is sure to kill all the
Demonic kings.
demonic kings of the world." Kansa and his friends were all demons, so
They were always
they
afraid of
were
him.
always afraid of demigods, and Kansa was especially very, very afraid, and he would be killed by Krishna, who was taking birth in the Yadu family. So he locked up the Vasudeva and Devaki in his own father Ugrasena inside the prisons. Then the king Kamsa made himself the king. He began to disturb all the Yadu family and even kill the 6 babies born to the Devaki and Vasudeva after another.
One after another. Yes.
One
Next.
after another.
Mataji, can I read?
Yes.
Mataji,
Hi, Dada. Mataji, can I read?
Yes.
Krishna's sister Yogamaya took Devaki's 7th baby Balarama away and put him safely in Vrindavana with Rohini in the house of Nanda and Yashoda. Then Krishna was ready to come as the 8th son of Devaki. The baby Kamsa feared the most. As the days went by, an ocean of hate grew in Kamsa's heart. He waited for the child to be born, hoping to kill him as he had killed Devaki's other 6 sons. He was always thinking of Krishna 24 hours a day, while sleeping, eating, working, while talking, sitting or walking. All Kamsa could see around him was Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Next.
Mataji, can I read?
Yes.
1 minute, Mataji. Devaki became very happy waiting for Krishna's birth. All the demigods and Narada visited her to tell her, "Don't be afraid, Devaki. Your son Krishna can never be killed by the demon Kamsa. Krishna is coming just to kill all the demons everywhere in the world, so his devotees can live peacefully." At the time of Krishna's birth, there were nice signs everywhere. The planets and stars moved to good positions in the skies.
The rivers were full of clear flowering waters, and the lakes were full of lotus flowers. The forests were full of beautiful singing birds and dancing peacocks. The soft wind smelled of sweet flowers. The Brahmana priests found their homes very nice for offering prasadam to the Lord and for sacrifices. The Gandharvas and the Kinnaras began to sing. The Siddhas and the Charanas offered prayers. The Apsaras began to dance, and the great sages and demigods showered flowers from the skies.
Yes. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Next.
Mataji, I have a doubt.
Last, not now.
I'm trying to unmute. Okay, Hemraj.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna.
Ma'am, Mataji, can you zoom in a little?
Yes. Sorry, today I don't have a desktop, so I'm doing it from mobile. Yeah.
Then in the darkness of night, during the heavily raining rainstorm, Lord Vishnu appeared as the Supreme Personality of Godhead before Devaki, who also looked like demigods. Vasudeva saw his wonderful baby son with 4 hands holding a constant club, disc, and lotus flower, and flashing his bright effulgence within the room. He had special mark of Srivasta on his chest and the jeweled necklace with the Kastubha stone around his neck. He was dressed in yellow silk, valuable golden bracers, bangles, earrings, and or other ornament.
All over the body. Yes, you can stop here. Yes. Next.
Ma'am, I also have Hemachandra. Mataji, can I tell?
Yes, you can start from he had head full of thick hair. Yes.
Okay, Mataji. He had a full head, he had a head full of thick hair and wore a helmet with the Vaidura stone. Vasudeva wanted Vaidurya stone. Vasudeva wanted to celebrate the birth of his wonderful baby by giving away thousands of decorated cows to the Brahmans. As he was locked in prison, he simply prayed. He bowed down. He was
with folded hands to offer prayers. My Lord, you are the supreme personality of Godhead, and you have so kindly appeared in my home to kill the demonic kings of the world. Followers like Kamsa, knowing that you are to kill him and his followers, Kamsa has already killed your six baby and baby brother before you. As soon as he hears that you have come, he will try to kill you. To
Next.
Mataji, can I read?
Yes.
Then the Lord turned himself into an ordinary small baby. Vasudeva quietly took his little son out of the prison. Somehow, everyone in Kamsa's palace, especially the doorkeepers, slept very nicely, and all the doors opened. The night was very dark, and it was thundering and raining. While Vasudeva carried little Krishna in the heavy rain, Lord Ananta Sisa spread his serpent hood over the head of Vasudeva like an umbrella. They came to the Yamuna river. It was roaring with big waves and foam, but they were able to cross on the other side. He went to the home of Nanda Maharaj in Vrindavana, where everyone was also sleeping. He walked inside quietly and put Krishna down next to Mother Yashoda. Then he picked up Yashoda's baby girls and went back with her to the precious of Kamsa, where he put her down next to Devaki. He locked everything very well, so Kamsa could not see that so many things had happened during the night.
Yes.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna. Yes, next. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna.
After Vasudeva locked the doors and gathers, the gatekeepers woke up and heard the new baby crying. They went to tell Kamsa. Kamsa was so much afraid that his hair stood on end. He jumped out of bed and cried, "Now the cruel death of my life is born." Then he hurried to the prison and to the bed of Devaki and the baby. Quietly,
Yes. Hare Krishna. Next. Yes. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. Yes. Hare Krishna.
Hare Hare Krishna Mataji.
Yes, you can start. Quietly, Devaki said.
Quietly, Devati said, "My dear brother
Kashmuna,
Kamsa.
Kamsa, please do not kill this baby girl. You would be killed by a girl.
You won't be
You won't be killed
killed by a girl.
by a girl. But by my eighth son,
Cruel. Kamsa. Yes.
Kamsa.
Okay, ma, we'll ask other participant to read. Okay. Hare Krishna Mataji, you can give chance to next person.
Hare Krishna.
Okay, Mataji. Hare Krishna.
Ma'am, Amruta.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna.
Ma'am, I can.
Yeah, you can start from quietly. Devaki said again.
Okay, Mataji. Quietly, Devaki said, "My dear brother Kamsa, please don't kill this baby girl. You won't be killed by a girl, but my eighth son, cruel Kamsa,
Okay, Mataji. Bye, Mataji.
grabbed the newborn child to throw her down her stone, but the baby slipped right
Mataji,
out.
you unmuted
Oh,
Vaishnavi.
please.
Wait, Vaishnavi.
And went straight up into the sky. Actually, she was wonderful. Goddess Durga, she was a beautiful dress and garlands and shining jewels and ornaments in her 8 hands. She held a bow, sword, arrow, bell,
Spear. Bow, spear, arrow, bell, conch shell,
bell,
disc.
conch shell, disc, club, and
Shield.
shield. From above in the sky, the goddess Durga shouted at Kamsa, "You
Rascal.
You rascal, you cannot kill me. The child who will kill you is already born before somewhere within the world. Don't be cruel to your..."
No. Wait. The child who will kill you is already born before me, somewhere within this world. So don't be so cruel to your poor sister.
Poor sister, she left. Then she left.
Yes. Hare Krishna. Next.
Hare
Mataji, you unmuted Vaishnavi before.
Yes, Vaishnavi, you can read it. This paragraph.
Okay, Mataji. But the next day he had a change of heart. Kamsa.
What? See, Kamsa became even more afraid. You have to start from there.
Oh, I didn't see Mataji. Kamsa became even more afraid. He said to Vasudeva and Devaki, I have been just like a demon to kill your 6 little babies. Please excuse me for my terrible behavior. He unlocked them personally and let them go out of the prison. But the next day, he had a change of heart. Kamsa, who was the greatest rascal, ordered his demon friends to disturb all kinds of saintly persons and to kill all children born in the last 10 days. In Vrindavana.
No. Next.
Okay, Mataji. Should I read, Mataji?
There is nobody? Okay, if there is nobody, you can read it.
Okay, Mataji. In Vrindavana, it was declared that a boy was born to Yashoda. Nanda Maharaj gave away 200,000 well-decorated cows, mountains of grains.
Excuse me, wait. That is 2 lakh well-decorated cows. Okay?
Okay, Mataji. Nanda Maharaj gave away 2 lakh well-decorated cows, mountains of grains, golden bordered cloth, and ornaments to Brahmanas, musicians, and singers. The Brahmanas chanted different Sanskrit hymns for the good fortune of the child. All the cowherd men and their wives, the gopis, dressed up very nicely and brought gifts for the new baby. When they got to Nanda Maharaj and Yashoda's house, the gopis gave their blessings to Krishna by mixing turmeric powder, oil, yogurt, milk, and water and sprinkling it on baby Krishna and on everyone there. The cowherd men saw the fun and they in turn joyfully threw yogurt, milk, and ghee and water on the gopis. Then everyone began to throw butter on each other. Nanda Maharaj was very happy to see everyone enjoying Krishna's birth ceremony and prayed to the Supreme Personality of the Godhead to protect his child.
Sorry. Yes.
Mataji, I finished reading it.
Yes. Saroja Mataji, you can read this sloka, Mataji. Hare Krishna.
Mataji,
Yes.
which one, Mataji? Okay.
2.13. Are you able to see the screen?
Zoom, ma'am. Zoom it. If I am zooming it, moving down. Okay, Mataji. No problem.
Yeah. Are you able to see now?
Okay, Mataji. Okay.
Yeah.
देहिनोऽस्मिन् यदा देहे कौमारं यौवनं जरा तदानन्तरा प्राप्तिः धीरः तत्र मुह्यति.
Yes, Mataji, you can read the translation also.
Okay, Mataji. As the embodied soul continuously passes in this body from boyhood to youth to old age, the soul similarly passes into another body at death. A self-realized soul is not bewildered by such a change.
Yes, Hare Krishna, Mataji.
Hare Krishna. Mataji.
Explanation, yes. Another Mataji can read.
Okay, Mataji. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
We keep growing from being a baby to being a bigger child, then going to primary school, middle school, and then high school, then college, and then we go to work, get married like your father and mother. Then one day we will also be old like grandpa and grandma. So at every stage, we have a different body, but we remain the same person. For example, your grandmother can remember what she did as a small child. Can you imagine her as a child? No, because now she has a totally different body, but she is the same person. So this person who always remains in all our changing bodies is called the soul. This soul never dies. So one who knows about this soul is never afraid of death, because the soul of the person simply gets another new body. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. These are all the activities which I'll share it in the group. We have to color it. Okay. Lord Krishna. This is the picture of Garbhodayaka Vishnu from the navel. Lord Brahma is arriving. And so this is the crossword. Okay. Crossword, it's easy to do it. Okay. You can note it down on a piece of paper and do it. I will share this in the group. Yes, you can do it. Yeah.
Mataji, this coloring how to do, Mataji?
Actually, you can do it with MS Paint. If not, you have to take a printout. Yeah.
Okay,
Mataji, you can start question and answer session, Mataji. So before that, I
Excuse me,
wanted...
Mataji.
Yeah. Yes.
Excuse me, Mataji. How do we color the coloring sheets?
You have to take a printout. Otherwise, you have to copy and paste it in the MS Paint and do it.
Okay.
Yeah, Hare Krishna.
Mataji, send it in the WhatsApp group or should we take screenshot here itself?
No, I'll send it in the group.
Okay, Mataji.
Yeah.
Okay, Mataji.
Yeah. I think the first week we are, what did we learn about today? So the birth of Lord Krishna, is it or not? Okay. So, what was the purpose of, what do you say, why did Krishna appear on earth? Because lot of demonic things were happening on the earth. So, Mother Earth will go and ask Brahma, crying that, please put an end to all the demonic things which are there in the ocean, what do you say, on the earth. So likewise, Vishnu, who is the manager of this planet, he'll say, yes, definitely I would come and I'll be born as a son of, what do you say, Vasudeva, and I'll come along with my brother to put an end to all these demonic things which are happening in this planet. So, so it was God, what do you say, God has decided before. He has that his birth will put an end to all the adharma which is there going in a planet. Okay. So, as he promised, he will come as a child of Devaki Vasudeva. And Devaki Vasudeva, they were very much, what do you say, very sweet couple. And Kamsa himself was actively, has actively participated when their marriage has happened. And he rode the chariot also for them. And he happily, like any brother, you know, will be very happy once their sister is getting married and all. Similar way here also, Kamsa was very happy. But when, unless and until when he came to know that the eighth son of his sister is going to kill him, then the all dynamics has changed. He became so restless, eating, sleeping, whatever activity he's doing, he's just remembering Lord Krishna. So that is also one way of worshipping Lord. You need not be a true devotee. Sometimes when you remember the person whom you hate the most, so in that way also Krishna is doing a pure devotion to Lord, sorry, Kamsa is doing a pure devotion to Lord Krishna. So similarly, as soon as they come to know about it, he will put both Devaki and Vasudeva into the prison and he will be very watchful about them. So that is the one of the demonic quality. In Bhagavad Gita class, in first chapter, I told you difference between Dronacharya and Kamsa. See, Dronacharya knows that he is going to be killed by Drishtadumna, but he will not leave any stone unturned to make him learn each and every knowledge what he has, what he possessed. So that is the divine quality. See, death is not in our hands, and how it is destined we do not know. But the only thing is that knowing that how good we are able to live our life and possess our divine qualities, it is more important. Similarly, Kamsa is a demonic quality. So the moment he came to know that he's going to be killed by Krishna, so he became so restless. And he has punished his most beloved sister. Till that moment, he was very much happy to that his sister got married. The moment he came to know about it, then he will put them in a prison. So simultaneously, once they are put in a prison, she will be blessed with the six. Vasudeva will plead Kamsa. See, don't kill her. If we are having any babies, definitely we'll hand over all the babies to you. But she is very innocent. Please spare her. So likewise, Kamsa will listen to Vasudeva and he will say, okay, fine. So the moment any baby is born, they try to give it off to Kamsa. And Kamsa killed all the babies one by one. So, but the seventh baby of Devaki Vasudeva, who is none other than Lord Balrama, they could escape Balrama from the prison, and they have placed him safely beside Rohini mothers in Vrindavan. Okay, coming to the eighth child. So same thing. See, once God has decided on to come onto this earth, he will play his mystical powers and he will try to make a way by which he can come. So that is the divine quality. So everything, because it was on what do you say, Shravan, and it was Ashtami, and it was raining heavily. It was the downpour. The moment he was born, as I told you in the 11th chapter, so he'll be in that four-handed form, having the Shankha Chakra Gada Hasta. So, and what do you say? Seeing him, Devaki Vasudeva will bow down before the Lord and offer their obeisances. Lord Krishna, we are very happy that you came as a child, and we offer our obeisances unto you and request him to come to the normal two-handed forms. So once he come to the normal two-handed forms, Devaki will be put to asleep, and rest of the people who are guarding the jail will also be under deep sleep, and the doors will automatically get opened, and um, Vasudeva will carry Krishna in from Kamsa's place to Vrindavana, and river Yamuna will give the way, and Sheshanag will be of help by protecting the baby from upwards, and by likewise he will place Krishna beside Yashoda Maya and take the baby girl who was there with Yashoda Maya. So this is all Maya, The moment he come back and everything looks normal, Krishna will come, Kamsa will come running, like, yes, somebody will tell that now you have got the eighth baby. So the moment he come and sees the eighth baby, so he sees a baby girl, but still out of jealous, envious, or not, hatredness towards Lord Krishna, so he he has taken the baby into his hand, tried to smash her, but she was none other than the Durga, the Yoga Maya. So she have appeared with 8-handed forms, with all the club, conch shell, disc and all. So, and she told in an Akashvani, like, you will be killed anyhow, because the person who is going to kill you is already born before me. So that's how she will tell the Akashvani and she will disappear. So coming to Vrindavana, so Nanda Maharaj is very happy because Krishna has come. So he has donated some 2 lakh cows and grains to Brahmanas and the musicians and singers. And at one side, all the Brahmans started chanting the Sanskrit hymns, all those things. So little Krishna was smeared with the yogurt, milk, oil, water, whatnot. Everybody was sprinkling and started celebrating in a very big way. So, and they have welcomed the Supreme Personality of the Godhead in a grand way. So that is what is the birth of Lord Krishna. So from next week onwards, we will go in detail. Coming to the Bhagavad Gita sloka, the meaning of that is, see, when we keep growing from a baby to a bigger child, and to a primary school, middle school, and higher school, and then to college and to the work. So similarly, think about ourselves only. What you used to look like when you were born, you people are not the same. Is it or not? So that is the material body with what we are possessing. But the soul inside, it will not change. It will remain the same. Only the body, what is the outer covering of the body which we have got, that's going to change and perish over a period of time. If you know this truth, definitely you will not get attached to this body and try to do everything in a detached way. So that is the meaning of this sloka. Dehinosmin yatha dehi kaumaram yavanam jara tatha dehantara prapti dhiras tattata mukhyati. So that's what is all for today. Yes, Mataji, any clarifications? Or shall we proceed with the question and answers?
Okay, Mataji.
Okay, Mataji.
Mataji, I have a doubt.
Yeah, you have to do a question and answers now. We have a questions for this. Mataji, you can start.
Answer first one.
So we'll ask questions, Mataji.
Yes,
The kids.
it's like an open forum, Mataji. Not like a Bhagavad
Okay,
Gita.
Mataji.
Yeah.
What is the name of Mother Earth? What form did she take?
Mataji, I know the answer.
Bhumi in the form of God.
Mataji, I know the answer.
Bhumi in the form of cow.
Yes. Next.
What is it?
What is the name of Lord Vishnu's planet?
Mata say Shiva
Svetadvipa.
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 What sort of ocean is there?
Ocean of milk.
Ocean of milk.
Ocean of milk, Mataji.
Yes. Yes. Who went to see Lord Vishnu?
All the demigods.
Okay. What?
Mataji, all the demigods and the father of universe and the mother of world also, Mataji. Bhumi.
What prayers did they recite?
Purusha Sukta prayers.
Sukta prayers.
Yes.
The prayer.
In what form did Lord Vishnu say that? Yes,
come to
Mataji,
the-
will you continue?
Yes, Mataji, yes, Mataji. In what form did Lord Vishnu say that he would come to the earth? Whom would he come along with?
Krishna and Balarama.
Krishna.
Vishnu, Mataji. Krishna and
Who would he
Balarama.
come along with? Okay.
Balarama, Mataji. Krishna and
Okay.
Balarama.
In which family were the demigods to take birth from?
Yes.
Yes.
Yadu family. Okay.
Yadu family.
Yeah. Who was? Yeah.
Who was Devaki? Who was Kamsa?
Yadavas, Mataji.
No, who was Devaki?
Who was Devaki?
Devaki is the Devaki and Vasudeva. Devaki is the biological mother of Lord Krishna.
Who was Kamsa?
Devaki was Kamsa's sister. Devaki was Kamsa's sister.
Mataji, the demon who take birth as a king to destroy the world, Mataji.
Okay. Which family did Vasudeva belong to?
Yadavas, Mataji.
What was the name of Kamsa's father?
Krishna.
Why was Kamsa afraid of Krishna?
Because going to kill him.
Kamsa was a demon who take birth to destroy this world, and the supreme God appeared to the Bhumi to destroy him, so he was scared, afraid.
How was Balarama saved from Kamsa?
Balarama was was left in the home of Rohini, and Krishna was left in the home of Nanda Maharaja. Mataji.
No. Only about Balarama we were asking. He is the seventh child of Devaki Vasudeva. The moment he is born, he is kept in the Rohini.
Okay, Mataji.
Yeah. Hare Krishna.
Why did the demigods tell Devaki not to be afraid of Krishna's safety?
Mataji, because he is the supreme, because he is the supreme form of Lord Vishnu.
Okay.
How did
How
birds,
did the birds,
flowers and lakes
flowers
show
and lakes show their happiness at Krishna's birth?
They were singing and dancing.
The birds were singing, peacocks were dancing. You should tell that line. The rivers were full of clear flowing waters. Isn't it?
The river was clear, flowing water.
Okay. What did the Gandharvas and Kinnars do? What did the Kinnars and Charanas do?
The
They began to
began
sing,
to
Mataji.
sing.
They began to sing the Siddhis and Charanas offered prayers, Mataji. And the Apsaras began to dance, Mataji.
They sang the song and said the prayers.
Okay. What did the Apsaras do?
Mataji, Apsaras danced at
Okay.
Krishna's birth.
Okay.
How did the great
Dancing,
sages show their happiness? How did the great sages show their happiness at Krishna's birth?
Mataji, they showered flowers from the skies and clouds in the skies.
They showered flowers from the sky.
Okay.
Okay.
Flowers from the sky.
Okay. Mention how baby Krishna looked when he was born.
Mataji, he was wearing the Kaustuba ring in his Kaustuba chain and many precious jewels and golden bracelets, valuable golden bracelets, bangles and Kaustuba stone around his neck, Mataji, and jeweled necklace also, Mataji.
Okay. How did Vasudeva escape the guards and take Krishna outside the prison?
The gods were the gatekeepers were sleeping, so they took the Mataji.
How did Vasudeva take Krishna outside the prison? That is also a question. Should answer.
Doorkeeper slept very nicely, Mataji. So all the doors opened automatically because he's the supreme personality of Godhead. So Vasudeva took him to Vrindavana.
And you have to mention about Anantashesh also, no?
Next question, maybe Mataji. Who acted as an umbrella
yes.
for them?
Okay.
Anantashesh.
Lord Anantashesh.
But in the first question, you should mention how he took the baby in the basket on the top of his head. And then the next question, who acted as an umbrella for them?
Adishesha or Anantashesha?
Maybe Yamuna.
Lord Anantashesh.
What did Vasudeva do on reaching Vrindavana as Nand Maharaja's palace? Everybody should answer.
He left Krishna. Mataji, he left Krishna at Nanda Maharaja's home.
And then he left Krishna behind Whom? Beside
Began
whom he left?
Vasudeva's house, Mataji.
Nanda.
Nandagopa's.
No.
Nanda
Nanda Maharaja's palace. Yes.
And whom did he bring back?
The daughter, Mataji, Yogamaya.
Daughter which was born to Nanda Maharaj.
Yes, Mataji, Nanda Maharaj.
Baby girl.
Who was the new baby whom Kamsa tried to kill?
Shanvi, you also try to answer.
Goddesses
Goddess
Durga.
Durga.
How did she look when she went up to the sky? Children, Prachi, Chaturya, who also should answer. Hemachandra.
Having club disc
Pomegranates
and,
and shining
and,
colors
and
and ornaments
Trishul and
Yes, yes, very good.
in her
How did the gopis bless baby Krishna?
They mixed oil, turmeric, yogurt, milk and water and sprinkle it on Krishna and say some mantras, Mataji.
Vedic hymns.
Vedic. How did the gopas and gopis celebrate and enjoy Krishna's birth ceremony?
Giving prayers to Lord. By giving prayers to Lord.
Yes. Yes.
Was your grandmother a baby once?
Yes.
Yes, Mataji.
What happened to that baby's body?
We do not know, Mataji, what happened. Why the birth.
voltage.
She grew up, no. She grew up. Definitely she will not have the baby.
Voltage.
Okay.
Baby's body will grow up, ma'am. It will come to
Yes.
baby to adult, and after that, after adult, old men are
Yes.
within Mataji. This Mataji.
Who is your grandmother, the baby or the old woman?
The old woman.
Old women. Old
Okay.
women.
What happens to us if
Old woman.
yes, yes, yes. What happens to us if we know about the soul?
So we'll be in detachment, ma'am. So we'll be in detachment, ma'am.
And try to be in a Krishna consciousness.
World. Of his world.
Okay. Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna, Renuka Mataji.
Hare Krishna.
Sorry, yeah.
was-
It was like, yes.
Why Mataji? What happened? I
No,
was
no.
just enjoying the story.
Yeah, it's also enjoyable, you know. Why? Because
Yes, yes.
the stories of Krishna and detail of Bhagavad Gita sloka and all, no?
Yes, yes. Even my son and we both were like listening.
So from next week onwards, we'll have glories of Lord one by one.
Yes, Mataji.
Okay, Mataji. Very nice.
Mataji,
Yes,
Mataji, I have doubt, Mataji.
yes.
Ma'am, Mataji, they say Mahavishnu, you are saying Garbhodhyakasayi Vishnu, ma'am. Then who is Mahavishnu and who is Garbhodhyakasayi
Vishnu is three types. One is Mahavishnu, and then there is Kshirodayaka Vishnu, and then there is Garbhodakashayi Vishnu.
Okay, Mataji. I had that doubt only, Mataji.
Yeah, I think
They
this
say
we
Mahavishnu and they say you say like that,
eighth
Mataji.
chapter. No, this we have discussed in our 8th chapter of Bhagavad Gita.
Okay, Mataji.
Okay. Very nice, Mataji.
Thank you, Mataji.
Hare Krishna.
Anyone else wants to ask any questions?
For this course, will we have any tests?
We have a feedback form. Just now it got shared in the group. I will share it in the group. You people have to fill up the feedback form. Okay?
Ma'am,
Yes?
is it online?
Yeah, it is a Google form. You have to send the feedback in that. Yes, Hemachandra?
Is there a test certificate for this?
No, not now. Maybe at the end of the session we may have. Because we
Okay,
have
ma'am.
16 weeks course. No, this is only weekend, 1 hour session. Yeah.
It is nice, Mataji. All the kids were able to get a chance to read the story.
Yes.
Very nice, Mataji. This
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
yes.
Bhakti Vriksha is like this only, Mataji. It is more like one-to-one interaction. You know, they can ask us any questions which they want.
Very
So,
nice.
yeah.
Mataji, glories of Krishna is called as Krishna Leela, Mataji.
Yes.
Yes, Mataji. Hare Krishna, Mataji.
Hare Krishna.
Mataji, which day Krishna was born?
He was born on 8th day of Shravana Mas.
Which day, Mataji? Monday, Tuesday, or
Exactly. Don't know.
Mataji, Krishna was born in 30 April. Some scriptures say that Krishna was born in 30 April. Mataji.
Maybe. I don't know. But he was born on the 8th day of the lunar calendar.
Because we celebrate Krishna Jayanti on always in 30 August, Mataji.
No idea. Yes. Next. Hemachandra.
yes, Mataji.
Yes, tell me, Ma. What question you have?
Mataji,
Yes.
what is the meaning of embodied body?
Embodied means something like an outer covering to our body.
And embodied soul?
The soul is having a outer covering of a body.
Okay, Mataji. Hare Krishna, Mataji.
Hare Krishna. Hope you people have liked the session. So next week we'll try to
Yes,
meet.
Mataji, we have liked it very much.
Yeah. So we'll have more Krishna Leelas next week. Okay. Same timing. There are no more questions. Mataji, shall we end the session?
Okay, Mataji. Thank you.
Session
Okay.
a lot.
Thank you, Mataji.
Mataji, Saturday, we can
Thank
tell
you,
them that
Mataji.
Saturday we have sloka recitation
Thank
also.
you, Mataji.
Ma'am, some kids were asking how many first chapter slokas should we practice and all.
I think how many kids are there? You divide among them now only. Oh, some people have left already. You can
Okay,
share it in the group.
Mataji, there are 13
groups, both the groups, I will share the information, Mataji.
Yeah.
The first chapter slokas, how much ever, two by two. Okay.
Vancha kalpatarubhyascha kripa sindhubhya eva cha patitanam pavanebhyo Vaishnavebhyo namo namaha. Hare Krishna, all of you. See you all
Hare
next week.
Krishna. Hare Krishna, Mataji.
Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna.